Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to pick up my Louis Vuitton AlmaBb at the store. I bought it online and I'm here at the curbside pickup waiting. This is an early birthday present for myself and I'm very excited right now. Since a lot of people likes AlmaBb, so am I. I have been watching reviews, also what's in my bag video of AlmaBb. It is a structured purse. Took a picture of the box and look what it is. Okay, let's open it. It's a nice package. It comes with a little card, but it's empty. There's nothing in it though. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's so cool. And wow, it's beautiful. I got the Monogram version of it because most of my purses are the Mir Ibn print, and I wanted to try this pattern again because the only one that I have with this pattern is the Speedy 30 in Monogram. The zipper is very smooth and it comes with the long strap if you want to use it with a longer strap, and you just have to attach it. So I like this one because it's a detachable strap. I can use it just a regular purse because I'm short and the strap is too long for me. In the package, it also includes these two cards where it shows the identification of the purse, and the inside of the purse is just a brown lining. It comes with the padlock and the key bell. The zipper has the double zip closure. It also includes the pouch so you can store the key in it. I was looking for the key and it's located on the key bell where you can pull it so that you can see the key in there. Look at that. This is how we're struggling how to look for the key. Anyway, that's it. We found it. The key bell is also detachable, so you can just take it out if you don't want to carry the key in the padlock. So you have the option to do that. Okay, we removed the key bell and then put it back. Look, it looks like it's so cute. You can see there's 4 feet at the bottom. Just to let you know, to attach the long strap, there's a 2D ring that you can clip together. You can use this bag in 3 different ways: shoulder bag, crossbody, and top handle bag. The strap is not adjustable. When you look at the inside, you will see there's a code there, and it will tell you where it was made and when it was made. Okay. Now you can see my gorgeous AlmaBb in Monogram. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you like any of my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you will get notified. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.